Hi students, this is Alex here. In this problem it is given the angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with its are complementary. So there is a horizontal level and there is a tower and we have two angles of elevation. One is from a point at a distance 4 meter. So let's take a point A here and this is 4 meter and we have the elevation like this. And at the same time there is another point 9 meter from the base. So we already have 4 meter from the base. Let's take the base as B here and let's take another point here which is C, and since this is 4 and this will be 5 meter, so that the entire length as per the question is 9 meter from the base. So from here to here it is 9 and this is perpendicular and this is the angle of elevation from here to the top of the tower. But these two angles of elevations are, as per the question, complementary. Complementary means if one is theta and other is 90 minus theta, because sum of the angle is 90, that is complementary. So one is theta, other is 90 minus theta. And let's take this point as D. Now we have to prove the height of the tower is 6 meter. So let's take this as H. Now we are going to take the first triangle. In triangle DBA, let's take tan theta, and tan theta by formula it is opposite by adjacent, and from here the opposite is H and adjacent is this AB. So when we substitute the value, tan theta equal to H by 4. Let's keep this as the first expression. In the same way, we take another triangle. In triangle DBC, this full triangle DBC. So here is the angle 90 minus theta. So when we take tan theta, instead of theta we have 90 minus theta. So tan 90 minus theta equal to, once again opposite by adjacent, but now the opposite is same as H, but adjacent is this entire BC, which is totally 9. It is made up of two parts, 5 plus 4, so it is 9. And tan 90 minus theta, as per the formula, it is cot theta, which is equal to H by 9. But cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta, that is equal to H by 9. Now taking reciprocal, we get tan theta equal to 9 by H. And let's take this as the second expression. Now from these two expressions, we are going to equate the other two sides because both are tan theta. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, tan theta equal to H by 4. At the same time, tan theta is also equal to 9 by H. Now we are going to cross multiply this. For that we multiply these two. So that is H into H, which is H square, and on the other side we have 4 into 9, which is 36. So from this H is root 36 and we take 6 and it is 6 meter. Actually when we take the square root we put plus or minus, but since it is a distance we ignore the negative value and therefore height equal to 6 meter. And the question, it is given, prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter, and we got the value of height as 6 meter, hence proved.